Happy Friday, everyone. It's Miss Harmon here with the Feel Good Friday shout out. And I am here to shout out two amazing instructors who have been really rock stars when it comes to supporting their colleagues. The first shout out goes out to Mr. Chris Hannis, who teaches at High Technology High School. He's really been instrumental in helping his colleagues transition to a hybrid instructional model. He always fields his colleagues' tech questions. He recently is working on a grant to submit to the PFA to cover the cost of Kami, which is an app to help teachers teach in the virtual world. He's huge when it comes to integrating technology into the classroom. So thank you, Chris. And the second shout out goes out to Miss Carrie Mazak, who teaches a CTE math at our Middletown building. Megan and I recently received an email from her mentee, Miss Betsy Antonella, and Miss Betsy said that she is so fortunate that she had Carrie as her mentor, that every new teacher should be provided with an experienced teacher like Carrie. So thank you so much, both of you, for just supporting each other. Have a great weekend. Take care.